Ever pondered the question, why Azure certification? Welcome to Azure Administrator Associate Training by TheOpsKart. We aim to transform you into a proficient Azure administrator. Hands-on labs are integrated throughout, ensuring you gain practical experience while you learn. Let's dive into what this course entails. We'll explore Azure, understand cloud computing, and learn about Azure services and subscriptions. You'll explore Azure subscriptions and resource groups, forming a foundational knowledge of the platform. Next, we delve into Azure virtual machines, implement scaling and high availability. The Azure Storage module introduces you to Azure Storage services. You'll learn about storage security and encryption. Azure Networking configures virtual networks and implements Azure Load Balancer and VPN Gateway. In the Identity and Access Management module, you'll manage users. You'll also implement multi-factor authentication. The Azure Virtual Network Connectivity module will teach you about network connectivity, learn about ExpressRoute and VNet peering. Then we'll move on to monitoring and diagnostics, configuring Azure metrics and alerts. This module guides you through Azure Backup, Site Recovery, and backup policies. In the Automation and Scripting module, you'll learn about Azure functionality, deploying resources with Azure Resource Manager templates. Next, we delve into security and compliance. You'll manage secrets with Azure Key Vault. Finally, we'll prepare you for the Microsoft Azure Administrator exam with comprehensive training and helpful tips and strategies. Now it's time to roll up our sleeves and dive into the practical aspect of Azure. Welcome to our hands-on labs. We'll guide you through setting up an Azure environment, managing networks, deploying resources, and more. So let's get started and enhance your Azure expertise.